Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about something that went viral, an extensive list of car rules that a driver has posted. So this is pretty crazy. And going through it.
I'm going to do an article on this. So for all of you, please go visit our newsletter, www.therideshareguy.com. Free newsletter. I'm going to be writing about this, my 2 cents about this list. This is in the back of this one. This really did go viral. I can't see for shit, Chris. So if you want to read some of that list,
that's all right.
Right ahead.
How would you like me to read it? Anything special or just in my normal voice?
No, not normal. This can't be, because you're not the one who wrote this. So it has to be in this person's supposed voice.
Yeah, but the question is, what kind of person was it, or what person is this?
Okay,
Do we know?
Okay, hold on a second. This is a male. I'm pretty sure. And let's say he's from the South. He's from the South. Let's say he's from the South.
Okay. Well, let's talk. All right. Greetings. I welcome you as my passenger here in the car. Etiquette rules I require to ensure smooth ride for us. Pets are always welcome. They must remain either in your lap or on the floor at all times to avoid pet hair for the next passenger. Do your best to clean up after your pets to avoid cleanup fees. Keep children safely seated at all times. No kicking seats or playing with doors, windows to avoid tickets. Put earbuds in if you're taking a call. I do not want to hear speakerphone conversations. This goes for social media, scrolling and all. I will not turn my radio off or down to inaudibly for your personal or business calls. I do not want to hear your corporate meetings or personal business dealings. Have them before entering one or once exiting my car. No exceptions. Do not ask me to. Do not eat or drink in my car. Water is fine. If you do and a mess or smell is left, it will be reported to Uber, Lyft, and they will charge a cleaning fee starting at $50, no matter how small. Same applies to children. No vaping or smoking at any point. Cover your nose, mouth when coughing or sneezing. If you notice if I notice you don't, it will be reported as a safety concern. This goes for children too. Wear a mask if you're sick. Wearing a seatbelt is up to you. You could potentially be ticketed, however. If at any time you're not enjoying the ride, refuse to respect my rules or feel uncomfortable in any way, I will gladly pull over so that you may request another driver. Ask me to ride away. Thank you for respecting these simple car etiquette rules. Let's enjoy a pleasant ride to your destination safely.
I like it. So, what do you think? I was doing thumbs up, thumbs down while you were reading. Most of it, I was doing thumbs up.
I mean, so I like the pets. Hey, cool, but hopefully they do that. I mean, a pet is gonna jump up or down sometimes, and that can be out of your control. But if they're well trained, that's even better. Or if they're in a cage or something, that's the bestest. But yeah, keeping children safely seated, yeah, that's fine. I agree with the phone conversations. That is so goddamn annoying.
Yeah.
And then if you are scrolling through, TikTok or something, and I have to listen to every friggin' video that you're stupidly watching, that's very annoying as well. And then as for the radio, I mean, like, I don't know. I always keep it as elevator music anyway, so it's more background than anything. So I mean,
Well, he said one thing in there that says about kids, right? He didn't mention like bring your goddamn car seat. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
yeah, because you ain't otherwise you
Well,
ain't
you
getting in
know,
my
they
car.
might actually have the something down there anyway, and you know, we got the car seat. And, you know, but it don't matter. I mean, you got a back and pick up. You can just get in the back and pick up, and it don't matter. You just sit. We'll go up and down, and we'll drive it on the bumps. You'll go flying up in the air and fall back down. Yeah, it's fun.
Anyway, so I like so this list is pretty extensive. So if this is like a 10-minute trip, by the time you finish reading this,
You're finally at
the trip
your
is over.
destination. Yeah.
So Uber drivers' extensive list of car rules divides opinions. So we should do like a study on this with riders, what they think about all these things. I'm pretty sure
I don't know,
riders
but
will go thumbs down to all of it.
You know what I imagine? That when somebody gets in the car, that this driver just turns around and stares at them, looks at them and say, read these rules, motherfucker. I ain't moving anywhere until you read them.
I ain't moving a foot until you read my rules. And then by the time he reads the rules, you know, one thing I agree wholeheartedly in this is, you know, them playing their own music super loud on their phones or having that whatever conversation, most of the time, by the way, it's inappropriate conversation, right? It's a couple of girls talking about a guy or a couple of guys talking about a girl at a very high level of obscenity. And I'm going like, I don't need to listen to this shit, bro. I ain't your shrink. You know what I mean? Put your goddamn earbuds in or play your own music in your ear. I don't want to listen to that shit. But you know, this is what we go through as a driver. So I'm gonna do an article on this. I'm gonna put them up. Let's see if some I agree, some I disagree. Actually, definitely when it comes to eating and smoking, not a goddamn chance on the planet.
Well, smoking is actually against TOS anyways, against community guidelines.
Yeah, I guess so. But yeah,
so you can blame Uber and Lyft on that one. Don't matter.
Yeah,
I mean,
this driver went viral. And there were a lot of Reddit comments from riders. Some riders were agreeing that, well, it's just, you know, all the left wingers were like, yeah, it's his private car, you know, and then all the left wingers were like, all the left wingers were like, it's his private car, he should be able to do what he wants. And all the righties were like, fuck that guy. So I'm like, yeah, there you go. Anyway.
I don't know. What are your thoughts? Let us know.
Yeah. Well, read the article first. It'll come out in a few days. So
well, I mean on the things that we were talking about just now, because they're in the chat. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.